नमस्ते, खुश रहो बेटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर के चौधरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। टीचिंग सब्जेक्ट जूलॉजी लैब, एनिमल डाइवर्सिटी। And today we will discuss about the Balanoglossus and its TS. Balanoglossus, this is the structure of the Balanoglossus, and you have to write the identification points of the Balanoglossus. The body is soft, elongated, worm-like, cylindrical and bilaterally symmetrical. Proboscis is the anterior most part of the body. It is short and the club shaped. Collar is the middle short cylindrical part. Its flap like a funnel like anterior margin termed collarettes completely surround and conceal the proboscis stalk and posterior part of the proboscis. Then trunk or metasome is the posterior and largest part of the body. It is rather flat and appear annulated due to circular constriction on the surface. Hepatic region. Middle hepatic region of the trunk is somewhat smaller than the genital region. Post-hepatic region is the posterior most and the longest part of the trunk, also called abdomen caudal region. These are the general characters identification points of the Balanoglossus. Now the next, Balanoglossus TS through the proboscis. You can see the diagram of the proboscis. The proboscis is the unpaired proboscis coelom. A protocoelom is greatly obliterated by connective tissue and muscle strands except for a small center space which is occupied by the proboscis complex. It have the buccal diverticulum in the center and glomerulus. The layer, this is the nervous layer, outer most layer is the below the epidermis is the nervous layer, and there is radial longitudinal muscle strands, and outermost layer is known as the epidermis. The proboscis coelom communicate with the outside through a proboscis canal and a proboscis pore situated mid-dorsally at the base of the proboscis stalk. These are the identification points of the TS through the proboscis. Now TS through the collar region. Collar coelom, the mesocele, is represented by two narrow lateral cavities, one on each side between the collar wall and the buccal tube. Two cavities are partitioned by incomplete mid-dorsal mid-ventral mesenteries. It have the ventral blood vessels, circular muscle fibers, and this is below the epidermis is the narrow layer. It also have the collar canal, है ना. Collar coelom does not communicate with the proboscis coelom, but posteriorly each cavity open into the first gill sac of its side by a collar canal and a collar pore. Collar coelom is greatly obliterated by collar musculature and connective tissue. Now TS through the pharyngeal region. Pharyngeal regions. It lie in the branchial region of the trunk. Externally, its wall bear a longitudinal constriction along each lateral side. These lateral constrictions project into its lumen as ridges called parabranchial ridges. consisting of tall columnar cells. These ridges incompletely divide the pharynx into dorsal respiratory branchial portion and a ventral digestive portion. Dorsal branchial portion is perforated dorsolaterally by two rows of U-shaped gill slit and is concerned with the respiration. Ventral digestive portion lined with ciliated epithelium with gland cell help in the food concentration. So these are the identification points of the bronchiostoma: melanoglossus, TS through the collar region, TS through the pharyngeal region, and TS through the proboscis. Hope you understand the identification point, and if you have any problem, then please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Thank you very much.